Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the Genshin Impact game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Genshin Impact game on your device, and once you open it up, you will see the login section. Now you can proceed with logging in using your credentials and then change your password from within. But you can also tap on forgot password and you will be asked to enter your username or your email address. Just type in your email address that you have used while signing up for your account, or enter your username and click on the next button. You will then be asked to check your inbox to find the verification code. Just check your inbox for the email address that you used and you will find this verification code. Enter this verification code within the next screen, and after proceeding forward, you will be allowed to create a new password for your account. Just type in your desired new password and then click on the reset password button, and now your password will be changed successfully. You can now use your new password along with your original email address or your username in order to log in to your Genshin Impact account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Genshin Impact. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.